If there is anything 2021 has taught us so far, it is that crypto play-to-earn projects are the future of gaming. By far the most successful crypto game today is Axie Infinity, with more than 2.5 million average monthly players, up 5 times since last year. But starting to earn on Axie Infinity requires a significant investment. Is it worth it right now? Watch this video to find out. To begin with, I want to make a full disclaimer that this video is not investment advice. The information you will find here is for educational and entertaining purposes only. The second disclaimer I want to make is that I myself am invested into Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a new type of game played with a set of creatures called Axies. In order to play, you need to have a set of 3. The Axies are easily tradable as they are blockchain NFTs and each of them is unique. They are Ethereum ERC-721 tokens. Once you have purchased 3 Axies, you can play in 2 modes: Adventure against creatures and Arena against other players. My calculation will be based on the Adventure mode only, as the Arena requires a significantly better Axies, which are of course way more expensive. And secondly, it requires a significant amount of experience, as the competition in the current season 19 is just brutal. The third reason is that the gains from the Adventure mode are clear and easy to predict. In order to play Adventure, any set of Axies will be just fine, as your Axies are going to gain experience with every single win, and hence their battle statistics will go up with every level we achieve. There are 9 different classes of Axies, but I won't go into details as this is not the purpose of my video. A Plant, Aqua and Beast Axie with 5 points for pureness are just fine, as those pureness points will make it easier to sell your Axies in the future. So the floor prices as of time of recording this video are 0.03 ETH for each, or $360 total. Now to the earnings side of the equation. With playing around 10 to 12 games a day, your maximum is limited to 20 games. Each of them lasting 2 to 3 minutes, you can easily earn the daily reward of 50 SLP. This is Small Love Portion, an ERC20 token based on Ethereum. The tokens are claimable every 2 weeks. So if you play each and every day and put about 45 minutes a day, you will have 1500 SLP in your account at the end of the month. With the current SLP price of 6 cents, which is crazy low, this is equal to $90. This means it will take 4 months to get your money back if the prices remain like this. Not bad, I would say. Now, of course, investing in crypto is connected with a lot of volatility, but early investors are always the ones who make the best returns. Keep this in mind. This video gives you the basics about Axie Infinity, but of course you need much more information and research in order to start playing and earning. Watch out for my next videos if you want to avoid those nasty Ethereum gas fees, and make sure to subscribe in order to stay up to date. If you liked the video, let me know by pressing the thumbs up button, and see you again.